Hmm. Hello everyone. Hope everyone is able to hear my voice. Very good evening to all of you. Hello. Hello Sanchita. Hello Bhagyashri. Hope everyone is doing good. Such a nice weather it is, right? I'm feeling like I'm sitting in a hill station. From morning in my place, weather is so nice. A very warm good evening to all of you. Let's wait for one more minute. Hope everyone is enjoying this work from home life. Stay safe, stay at home. Yeah, I know. So, most of the people joined. Yeah, let's start. Before giving to a brief introduction about me, I would like to share a thought which I read from Maxwell's leadership book. Our life is like a rubber band. You know rubber band, right? If rubber band is not stretching, then no use of that. If you kept rubber band in some particular tension, then only we can use that rubber band. If a rubber band gets stretched, it will create more energy, more power, and more value, isn't it? Myself, Vinuta. I'm connecting from Bangalore. ನಮ್ಮ ಊರು ಕಾಫಿನಾಡು ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕೊಪ್ಪ. So today I'm going to share my life experience, how I realized my capacity, how I stretched myself beyond my comfort zone and realized my capacity. Every woman's have same life story, you know. What happens is when we reach certain life, then we thought our plate is full. Good husband, cute kids, well paid salary, along with a beautiful home, everything. We feel like we are complete. But we need to stretch ourselves to see our capacity. Then only we will realize then we can do much more than what we are doing today. Even same thing happened in my life as well. From my childhood, I dreamed to become a software engineer. But in my early age, that won't happen because of some family commitments. Then I joined Bachelor's of Computers. Then I did Masters of Computers application. After completing my course, I started hunting for job. But situations were not in favor of me. Because of recession, there was like slowdown was going on in job market. I was not able to fulfill my dream, even though having good score. At that time, situation made me to move back to my native. I does not had any intention to make difficulty to my retired father, but as a coincidence, I got an opportunity to work as a lecturer in one of the reputed college for more than a year. Even though I was giving my 100% dedication to my work, I was feeling like something is missing in my life. ಅದೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೂ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಥರ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ after my marriage, I came back to Bangalore. There I started refreshing my technical skills. Then in a span of time, I got a good job in an IT company. My dream come true. After 2 years, a sweet little angel came to my life. Yes, Advika. I kept myself busy in taking care of her. So I quit my job. Then, after completing 2 years, she became very friendly and she enjoys going to school. I joined her to a play school. At that point of time, I started feeling alone at home. So I decided to restart my career. I took that as a challenge. I prepared day and night. Within 15 days of time, I got offer from an very good IT company. Again, I restarted my work. Here, after all this, I thought like my plate is full. Then that time I draw a circle around me, a boundary around me. That was my comfort zone. Of course, day passed. I was working myself. So after few days, I was feeling like I'm a machine. Daily same work, daily same routine, everyday same lifestyle. Weekends, you can't imagine. During weekend, I was the laziest. I used to watch TV lying on sofa for more than an hour. It was my lifestyle. After a few days, I literally start hating that lifestyle. Seriously. Because I wanted to do something more, something interesting in my life. I wanted to keep myself busy without disturbing my professional and my personal life. At that point of time, Reskill Nation came to my life through a social media. There I saw how many women impacted by Reskill Nation, how they changed their lifestyle, how come they are doing some productive work in their life. I got inspired. Without thinking much, I signed into Reskill Nation page. After that, what happened? Even though the course were free, I took it very seriously. I think because of that, today I am here. I got very nice life skill through Reskill Nation. Before, I was thinking like 24 hours is not enough for me. I'm not able to do much work in that 24 hours. But now that 24 is, I know how to manage that 24 hours by prioritizing my task. And also I know how to control my emotions now. And now I'm able to overcome my negativity by increasing my positive mindset. This happened through Reskill Nation, amazing course. So, and also the guidance, whatever I got through this course, I'm using those guidance to help others to change their lifestyle. It's amazing feeling, right? Here, I like to share a story. Long ago, there was a king. He gifted with two eagles. He had a very good bonding with them. Okay, so what happens? Because of that, both eagles does not need to be caged. So after few days, he wanted to see them flying. So he ordered one of the caretaker to signal them to fly. One eagle started flew high, another one fly a little, again came back and sat on a branch of the tree. King was worried. You know why? It was the same routine of that second eagle. That time he announced an impressive award to make it fly. Days passed, month passed, many scholars, many qualified people tried but failed. After few days, king also almost lost the hope. Okay, so after few days he saw the second eagle also started flying high. So when he investigated, he came to know that second eagle flying so high because of a farmer who is staying in next village. Then he called that farmer and asked, by giving a reward, "How come you make it possible?" The farmer replied, "I just chopped down the branch where it habitual of sitting every day. Now, without having any other option, that eagle started flying so high." This is what comfort zone is. We will wait for some other person to come and chop down our branch. But there would be no time, because situation might be something else, situation might be something different. We should not accept someone else to come and move you out of the comfort zone. You have to do it yourself. You have to stretch yourself, that you should go beyond your comfort zone. All of us lives in comfort zone. Even I was also living in my comfort zone. But if you are not moving beyond your comfort zone, then you will have same thing throughout your life, nothing more. Possibly you will get less in some moment of your life, but not more. The growth stays between where you are and where you could be. We just need to stretch yourself in between that. So every human being can do much more than what they are doing today. You just need to investigate, you just need to realize your capacity in it. Just stretch a bit and see. You are also able to do what you done yesterday. You are also able to do what you thought of doing. What you have to do, you just utilize your time in doing some productive work in right stuff. When it comes to stretching, I'll always remember law of rubber band. Our mind is also like a rubber band. So think big. You have to learn to overcome your weaknesses by stretching your strength, because every person will have some of their weaknesses and some of their strength. Don't focus on weaknesses. Same thing I did. I had lot of weaknesses. I was thinking like that. When I investigate myself, I come to know lot many strength is also there. I start of increasing that strength. I was able to once I increased my strength, I started focusing on my strength. So that is amazing, you know. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಲೋಗನ್ ನನಗೆ ನೆನಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಸಾಧ್ಯನಾ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವೋ ಆವಾಗ ನಾವು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಲೈಫ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಹಿಯರ್. ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ಟು sign into Reskill Nation page. It's very amazing platform. If I would have not signed in that day, I would have not got this opportunity to talk in a very good platform. You just need to remember that if you stop stretching yourself, you stop living. This should be your the everyday decision. Every day you have to think, I need to do something more what I did earlier. Whether you might be 22 or 72, no matter of age. So it does not matter in stretching, because our rubber band has more elasticity so that we can stretch as long as possible. So next, again we will get this kind of inspirational talks coming Saturday also. So next Saturday ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. ಟಿಲ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.